Hey guys, Scott McPharlin here from Magain Real Estate and welcome to 4 of 10 Sismey Road in beautiful Christies Beach. It's tough to find properties at the cheaper end of the market in the beautiful beachside suburbs, but I think I might have found one here. We've got a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom townhouse that's super neat and tidy and really low on the maintenance. Of course, you're so close to all the facilities that Christies Beach offers with the beautiful new bars, great beach, and of course, excellent shopping. Why don't we go inside and check it all out? There you have it. This one is an absolute ripper, and I really love the fact that this open plan living area feels so light and bright and it flows directly out to the beautiful courtyard out the back. It's the perfect spot, nice and quiet, and you're going to love the lifestyle that Christies Beach has to offer. My name's Scott McPharlin from Magain Real Estate. Can't wait to see it and open soon.